Hey there guys, Shaqtech from Shaqtech and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the new Sony MX4 headphones. I've just picked a pair up, and in today's video I'm going to be firstly unboxing this, see what comes in the package itself, and then I'm going to be telling you why I purchased these headphones and why you should purchase them as well. Stay tuned, let's get right into this. Here we go. So looking at the box here, we have the MX4. We've taken the clear film off, so now first things first, we're able to slide it off. Beautiful. So we got a couple of quick setup steps here, some easy steps. So first of all, you're going to want to download the app, and then you're going to want to connect the app via the app. But first of all, I'm just going to show you what we get in the box. So as you can see, I'm assuming the headphones are in this nice little pouch here. It's a nice fabric coated pouch. Has a nice little pouch at the back as well to use, which is cool. Put that down. What else do we get in the box? We get some free trial with some music. We've got all sorts of manuals also. So now getting to the headphones itself, we look at the pouch here. Nice little rose gold accent here, quite like that. Pouch feels really good quality already from the offset. Let's open that up, and boom, there we have it. We have the headphones inside there. We have a nice little airplane adapter, which is awesome. So you can use it while you're on the airplane. We have the wire if you want to go non-wireless as well, so you can use the regular aux cable, which is cool. And I love how it is they're both actual full-size ones. So in my previous one, which was a Bose, the headphone connector was actually a micro, so that was a bit annoying because you couldn't actually use that wire for anything else. And then here are the headphones themselves. As you can see, nice and light. They have the interesting sensors here for the noise cancellation features on this headphone, which I'll get into in a bit. Extremely light, nice little plush cushions here. It's quite firm on the top of the headphones, and yeah, the headphones got a good stretch to them. So you've got your general USB-C I/O port, you've got your aux 1. You've got your custom buttons and your on and off buttons, and of course the touchpad for controlling your music, which is awesome. Put that to the side. Also, a really cool thing in the box here is you have a nice little instruction board at the bottom where you can see what are the controls on your iPhone and on your headphones and what position you should do to put it back into your pouch. It's awesome. So, now getting into why I bought these headphones in the first place. So I wanted to replace a good pair of wireless headphones I had before, the Boses. And these seem to be really good. The MX3s were a great fan favorite with the public. The Sonys provided great noise quality with their 40mm drivers. You can bang out to any of your favorite tunes on the bus or in your car or on your way to work, all wirelessly, which is awesome. Also, to break out of the music, there's some awesome features that the Sony has, such as covering your hand to one of the ear cups will temporarily pause your music and stop the noise cancellation. Also, another cool thing is taking your headphones on and off pauses the music, putting them back on starts them right where you left them, similar to the AirPods. Another feature that's really cool is the touchpad on the side of one of the ear cups. Has some very intuitive controls, quite easy to use, and yeah, really fun to play around with. As you can see, I'm over there. And yeah, one of the really cool things about the Sonys as well is they're quite neutral, so you can wear them with anything. They aren't too outlandish or anything. The nice little rose accents give it a nice little look, and yeah, it seems so far quite comfortable to wear. And the headphones are priced quite fairly, I believe, with the starting New Zealand price at around $420, but you might get them on a Christmas sale for much cheaper, which is awesome. Awesome, that concludes the video. Hope this video was awesome for any of you guys out there. If you're looking for a headphone on the market, definitely recommend these. One of the best wireless headphones you can get for the money on the market at this point. And yeah, leave a comment down below if you want me to review anything new, anything else down below. Any ideas for any other video ideas as well, comment them down below. As always though, take care, I bought one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.